Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy. And today I'll show you how to install Visual Studio Editor, so code editor in a MacBook and Mac OS X. And we're gonna be installing two ways, right? Now one is we can download a DMG file from the official website, and as well as you can install from terminal. And first let's visit Visual Studio, their official website like Visual Studio and visualstudio.microsoft.com, and you can find a download link over here, and download link for Mac OS X. Just click on this and download the DMG file and move to application folder. It will work. You can install, right? You can install and move to application folder. So but I'm going to installing through from terminal with a brew, and the command called brew install hyphen cask and visual hyphen studio. So when I hit the enter, it will start downloading. Yes, it's downloading. It may take couple of more minutes, I think. So the installation is almost done now, and yes, and mono mdk for Visual Studio, it's some package might be not available, and that's that you got an error, right? That is a brew thrown some error, some packages might be not available. Let's see it is installed or not. Just type Visual Studio code. So I think so it is not installed because of the package. I think so it is not installed. Visual Studio code. It's opening. Okay, got it. So I think so some because of the package it was not installed. So now we have another way, right? Download for Mac, right? Mac OS, download Visual Studio, Mac OS Universal Package. Yes, our downloading is completed. I'll open the file and will unzip this one. Yeah, now I'm gonna double click on it, like it will directly open editor, but I can also do one more thing. I can move the two applications. It's installation file, right? Like yeah. So now if I press command and space and type Visual Studio code, yeah, it's showed, right? We already installed it. If you click on it, yeah, now it is opened. And this is the same way that you can add a folder, command O, or create a new file with the command N, and our new window, command shift and N. That's it guys, and thanks for watching. This is how you can install Visual Studio code. And with the first method, with that brew, it was not installed. It might be some package issue, and it's completely installed with the downloadable file from official site. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.